Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar. Now before I take you through the markets that I'm watching through this week, I want to show you the webinars that we have for you. And during this webinar, which I'll be running by Craig Cobb, he's going to mention a really fantastic offer that we have on our premium package. So be sure to tune in. And we've got the same webinar running on different time frames. So wherever you are in the world, you'll be able to register and watch it live. So one of the options is on Monday, the 17th of February, on 3 p.m. New York, 8 p.m. London, 7 a.m. Sydney and 9 a.m. Auckland on the next day. The other options is on Thursday, the 20th of February, and it's 9 p.m. Auckland, 7 p.m. Sydney and 8 a.m. London. You can get through the link through Trade with Precision /free webinars. Okay, so on to the markets. So with the Forex market, I'm actually, the one favor of mine is Aussie CAD, and this is the reason why it's very important to have several markets on your stock list, because if the Forex doesn't give you plenty of opportunities, then there will be the commodities, there will be the index market, and I'm going to show you what I've been watching for and what we have been doing the past week here at Trade with Precision. Okay, so the first market is Aussie CAD, and let's take a look actually on the weekly and see where we're at. Now Aussie CAD is very close to parity, and I've marked that in, and we can see that we have many touches, a little bit lower than parity over here. We've been here and here, here and here. We came up, we touched it, we fell again, and now we're coming up quite close to this area as well. Now, if price is going to break the high of this candle over here, then we're going to be in an uptrend on the weekly. We're also going to be above this level of parity. So what I'm be looking to doing is join the momentum on the upside only once we break up this level over here. So I'll be looking for trading opportunities, basically coming down, touch this level and continue on. But until we break this high over here, we are still in a downtrend. And also I will not be looking for trading opportunity to the upside so close to an area of support and resistance over here. So this market is actually on my stock list, but nothing so far. Let's take a look at the metals. So I'm going to look at gold. And if you are a member of our Precision Perspective video newsletter, you would have received Craig's heads up on gold. And I'll show you quickly what we were looking at. It was on the 1 hour. And one of our trading strategy gave us a signal to enter here at the area of the 1280. And look how nicely price progressed to the upside from there. So that was a very nice call that we had. But let's see where to from here. So I'm going to take a look at the daily and mark the levels. So the first thing is the level of the 1280. We can see that price has touched here many times in the past. And the next one up, we're going to be the 1350. So we're going to see if price continues, we can either see a pullback on the daily around this area or somewhere to the 1300, which is a round number, and a few minor touches over here, and then a continuation of this uptrend momentum, and at least until the 1350. On the weekly, let's see what it would mean. It would mean that we will take this high over here and we will no longer be in a downtrend on the weekly. Now I want to show you silver and what silver has done, because usually these two are moving slightly one after the other in the same direction. So let's see what silver had done. Silver was stuck here in a range all through this time. As gold was breaking through a level, silver was still consolidating below the level of about 2050. And then on Friday it just broke up through it very strongly. This is a big nice bullish candle over here, breaking through a very strong level. Now let's see what this means on the weekly as well here for silver. So silver, once it broke through this level, which means through this high, we were in an area, we were in a downtrend up to here. Then we had a high. This low is actually higher than this low. So this low over here, and this one is higher. So a break above it meant that we broke from an area of no trend to an uptrend. So this has been a very strong week here for silver at the end of Friday with that strong bullish candle. So what does that mean? What am I looking for as for trading opportunities? Well, what I'll do here is I'll go down the time frame, say for example the 2 hours, and I will look for trading opportunities as we're pulling back into the averages, into what we call the buy zone. I'll be looking for trading opportunity to join this trend. If we look at the monthly, just as a quick to see where we can run this with, until where we have, this was a very strong level over here that we broke up through. So the next strong one is somewhere about here, the 2600. So we have a further way to go until we get there. Now, mind you, the monthly is still in an area of no trend because we have a low, a higher low, and then this low is higher than this low. Then we are in a no trend at the moment. So we need to break this candle over here to be in an uptrend on the monthly as well, but that's a long way to go, and I'm looking at entries from the lower time frame being the 2 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, and so forth. Another market that has been very nice last week and coming into resistance is the indices, and I'm going to take a look at the S&P for an example and see what we have done. So with the monthly, we are very strong. We are in an uptrend. We just had a pullback into the averages, and we're looking very strong to continue upward. With the weekly has broke down through the low of this candle and now had a very strong rejection candle and a breakup through it. So we can see a test of this area over here. Let's just look at it from the daily perspective, because we can see the level that we're coming into pretty strongly. So we're looking at this level over here. Let's just mark that price has tried to break through it 1, 2, failed, 3, 4 time, and then fell down, and now we're coming up to it. So what's going to likely to happen is that price will find resistance and consolidate below this level over here, and then because the monthly and the weekly look very bullish, we might see a break of this level, but we are too close to this level at the moment. So there were nice trading opportunities all through last week on the indices to the upside, but now that we're coming close to this area of resistance, we need to wait to see that we're actually able to break through it and we're not going to fall down again. So this is my watch list and what we are looking for as in trading opportunities and interest in markets to stock. And you can see that it's not always the forex that give us the best opportunities. Sometimes it will be the metals and sometimes it will be the indices. So it's really important to have a few on your stock list and not just get stuck into one market. So that's it for me for today. Hope you have a fantastic trading week, and I look forward to speak to you soon. Bye for now.